And it goes a little something like.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. I have my iMac sitting right here and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on it. If you can see, it's right here. And so I'm sitting at my desk right now and this is where I'm always going to be working. I'll get into the unboxing in a second, but I just wanted to go over my iMac really quick. I have the 24-inch. I got the gray, like silver one. It is the one that's $14.99. It's the M1 processor. Wait, what is the 24-inch Retina 4.5K display? Apple M1, 8GB memory, 256GB. And it's the it's the 8 core, the Apple M1 8 core, not 7 core. So the 7 core is the $12.99 one, the 8 core is the $14.99 one. So when we're unboxing, I know my boyfriend will like kind of go over it a little bit, but basically yeah. So that is the one that I got, and let's get into the video. Okay, I'll put the specs. I'll put it up close because you can see 24-inch. 8 core Retina 4.5K LED light. Okay. Alright, we're opening my iMac. But yeah, I think I said in a different vlog that it is a, what do they call it? Like a used, a resale?
Open box.
Open box.
So here, yeah, here's another open box.
It says excellent, no damage though.
I think someone just literally bought it and returned it.
Yeah. We're opening my iMac. Oh my god. Okay. See, it still looks nice and
It's
fresh.
brand new.
Yeah, it's literally brand new.
Here's the stuff. Still peeled or like sticker and everything.
Yes. I have my boyfriend here helping me.
Oh, yeah. Let's grab it.
Okay. We'll put it on my desk. Oh, look at it. It looks so good.
Stuff. The new keyboard has the touch sign-in thing.
Oh yeah, that is nice. And then the
Mouse.
charger.
And mouse.
The chargers are like new too. These are kind of nice.
Yeah.
They're like different than the silicone one.
Yeah, they're what's it called?
It's like a rope material. What do they call that?
I can't even think of the thing.
Okay, here's all the stuff. Does it come with just an extra charger?
Yeah, this is for the mouse.
Okay, for the mouse. This is the bottom part. Oh yeah, okay. So you got this.
Power block, and then you can
Nice.
put Ethernet. But you're just doing Wi-Fi, right?
Yeah. Is there anything in this?
No.
Okay.
So let's see how it looks.
Yeah.
So where Ethernet goes in.
Okay. If you don't use Wi-Fi.
Alright, we cut it.
Also, this is my new desk. I never even showed my new desk. I got from IKEA. So I'll put that down below. I'll link it. Should we keep this or should we?
Oh, yeah. It's plastic. And then you
Just in case?
Yeah. And then you
He's helping me set it up. I'm so excited that I got to have this. Also, we're like opening it on my like spare bed Right now this is like the guest bed, and obviously I'll bring my bed in when I move in here fully. But yeah, here's the keyboard and all this stuff. Like I said, I bought this USB as a USB-C adapter. It's so beautiful. And this is my desk. I forgot to even mention that I got a desk. I got it from IKEA. It's like the Miski, and then I bought this insert too. But yeah, love it. Have you plug it in?
So you plug it back right here. Take this bad boy. Right there, you see it?
Yeah. You can see us in there.
Mouse.
Okay. Keyboard. And then you have to like connect it. How do you connect it? I need to get a mouse pad too. I'm gonna get like those desk ones that go like right